Dear viewers, welcome to Android tutorial for beginners. Today I will show the example of Android checkbox. So how we can display the checkbox and how we can get the checkbox value and how we can set default check. So here is a 5 checkbox. So So this is the checkbox tag, and this is the ID, and this is width and height. Define the content ref content, and text is sec one. Also similar is sec box 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At first, I need to show the how we can default set check option. Check is to when we set the check to is automatically checked is checkboxed, and we can check in checkbox 1, and we can set is check in checkbox 3, check 2 3. So we can run our project for see the output. So this is the checkbox output. We see the say into the emulator. Checkbox 1 and 3 we set the default check option 2. So we see the checkbox 1 is tick mark, and checkbox 3 is a tick mark. So now we will see the how we get the checkbox value. It is checked or uh, not checked. So we can put the button for get the checkbox value. Button rep content and text, and say get checkbox value. So we can set the ID btn btn. So we can get set button ID by button btn, the button object, find by ID and with dot ID id dot btn. We can set the event listener btn, the set on click event listener new on on click on new on click when we push click the button, we'll get the checkbox value. So at first we define the checkbox get the checkbox 1 2 checkbox find by id dot id dot checkbox 1. Similarly, we can get 5 checkbox value, checkbox 2, checkbox 2, checkbox 3, is the checkbox 3, checkbox 4, is the checkbox 4, checkbox 5, The checkbox 5. So we get checkbox value, and we will display the checkbox value into the toast for pop-up. First we take get listing buffer result is equal to new listing buffer result dot append yes, checkbox 1 check dot append checkbox 1 dot check. Similarly, we can get the checkbox 2 3 4 5 checkbox 2, and we set the checkbox 2 checkbox 3 as the checkbox 3, and checkbox 4 as the checkbox 4, the checkbox 5 as the checkbox 5. Okay, here we can define the final forget. Okay, then checkbox below we need to show in toast dot make toast. Here is the first parameter is main activity dot this. Second parameter is message. So our message is result dot string result, and third parameter is toast dot length. Then finally call the show method. So we can run our project for display the checkbox option which is checked and which is unchecked. Project is running. It take little bit time. So this is checkbox. Now I click the checkbox below button. Click. So here is the showing checkbox 1 is checkbox 1 is 2 checkbox. We can set is append the new line. So we can set the new line for every setting. We can run again. Checkbox 1 and 3 is set. So you checkbox 1 is true and 2 false, 3 2, and other alls are false. So 1 and 3 is 2 and other false. Now we unchecked 1 and 3, all are false. We check checkbox 5, so only checkbox 5 is true. So we can easily get the checkbox value which is checked and which is unchecked. So this value get from programmatically in the main activity. Um, Thank you.